Welcome to the Unreal Engine RTS Resource Collection System course. In this course, we are going to create a production-ready, optimized resource gathering system that replicates the behavior of real-time strategy games. I'll teach you how to create the RTS camera, implement resource harvesting, and integrate autonomous characters, and much more. In the first section, we'll create a fresh project using Unreal Engine 5 and migrate the provided starter content into it. All the textures, materials, and other assets required for this project are included within the course, so you won't need anything from external sources. We'll then initialize a blank project and prepare it for building our own RTS resource collection system. In the second section, we'll implement a camera control system similar to those found in RTS games. I'll show you how to create a camera movement, camera rotation, and camera zoom controls. In the third section, I'll introduce interactable actors that can be interacted by the player and AI controlled characters. We'll implement buildings, resources, and a user interface layer for displaying their statistics. We'll also add mouse click actions that allow the player to select and interact with these actors. Next, we'll begin implementing resource harvesting capabilities. This section will demonstrate how harvesting can be performed across multiple different types of resources within the level. We'll then start working on the characters controlled by the player. The player will assign tasks and the characters will carry out those tasks autonomously. We'll learn how to move characters around the level, direct them towards resources, make them harvest those resources, and deliver the collected materials back to the town hall's storage. Additionally, we'll implement the ability to spawn new villages from the town hall. In the next section, we'll introduce an interaction slot-based crowd control system. This will allow multiple villages to interact with the actors without causing conflicts. We'll discuss how to procedurally generate interaction slots around interactable actors, as well as how villages can reserve and release those slots during interactions. And finally, we'll perform a stress testing using a realistic RTS style simulation with 20 characters working in parallel. This will allow us to evaluate systems reliability and performance. I hope you are excited to join the course. We'll cover almost all the concepts you need to understand when creating a production-ready AAA quality RTS resource collection system. Everything will be taught from the ground up. Alongside the practical implementations, we'll also explore the underlying computer science and mathematical concepts behind the system as well. This will give you a solid understanding of both the theory and its practical application. So even if you are a beginner in Unreal Engine game development, you will be able to follow along. All course materials, support channels, and guidelines are included. I hope you enjoyed the course and happy learning.